Hey everyone, Abners Reviews here, and today we are unboxing Funko Pop figures from the Nickelodeon line right here on Abners Reviews. So here you go guys, so today we are meeting our turtle shelled friends right here from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles line right here from Nickelodeon right here. So one of our buddies requested that we review a line from the cartoons for our Funko Pop figures. So here you go, bud. Hope you like it, and let's go meet our Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles right here.
Just a mask. See? Don't freak out. Right?
So there you go guys, with our turtle shelled friends right here from the Nickelodeon line of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Funko Pops right here. Number 1133 is Donatello. Number 1134 is Leonardo. Number 1135 is Raphael. Number 1136 is Michelangelo. So those figures looks good, right? That is really cartoony, and they are very colorful, and they are very much lively to look at. So these tmnt figures right here measures 9 cm in height, 6 cm in width, and about 4 cm in thickness. So let us start with Donatello right here. So Donatello is somewhat the leader of this four cowabunga dudes right here. So as you can see, he is wearing the purple headband slash face mask right there. The purple one belongs to Donatello right here. So I believe that is a peace sign right there, being waved by his right hand. And of course, as you can see, they are dominantly green in color, which of course resembling turtles, right? So good set of teeth from Donatello right there. There's the other hand. They have these protectors on the knees and on the arms right there. So they are always battle ready, right? So on the side, on the other side, on the back, so that's where we see the shell right there for Donatello. That is his precious turtle shell right there. And we also see the rest of the headband slash face mask right there, purple in color. So that is Donatello right here, number 1133 right here. Next we have Leonardo right here. He is wearing the blue headband slash face mask right there. And as you can see, not all of his teeth are showing, not like Donatello, right? and same in color as Donatello. Oh, by the way, these figures are not bobblehead figures, all of them. These have fixed heads right there. So I think Leonardo is holding like a pipe bomb right there, a DIY bomb of some sort on his right hand. So he's ready for battle, I suppose. And all the armors, the knee armors and the armbands right there. Of course, the chest and the soft side of our turtle friends right here are called the same, somewhat yellowish in color right there. So on this side, that's how he looks like. The other side, on the back again, you see the rest of the headband slash face mask, colored blue. And I believe because Leonardo usually carries two swords with him, so these right here on the back of his turtle shell is where he carries his sword, both of them. So that is Leonardo number 1134 right here. So this is Raphael right here, number 1135. So he's wearing the red headband slash face mask right here. You got a nice smile right there on the face. So still the same color as the rest of them. Still dominantly green. And with the knee armors and the armbands right there. He is on the fighting stance, as you can see on the hands right there. So on this side, on the other side, on the back, that is where we see the turtle shell right there, and the rest of the headband, which is red in color. So that is Raphael number 1135 right here. So now we go to Michelangelo right here, number 1136. So Michelangelo is the junior of the bunch. So he's wearing the orange face mask slash headband right here. And nice smile too for Michelangelo right here. And I believe he is carrying donuts. He's still wearing the same armors for the knees and the arm right there. On this side, on the other side, on the back we see the turtle shell right there and the rest of the headband slash face mask right there. So that is the most junior of the bunch. This is Michelangelo number 1136 right here. So there you go guys, with a Nickelodeon line of Funko Pops right here from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles cartoons. We have Donatello, Leonardo, Raphael, and Michelangelo right there. Colors are good, textures are good, and the details are top notch. So I hope you like our quick unboxing and review of the Nickelodeon line of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Funko Pops right here. For inquiries and comments, please put them down below. So please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our Funko Pop reviews right here, as well as our normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Cowabunga.